As one of many possible examples, we wanted to show this application here. This is another shield that we've made, the Proto-Shield, and with this we made basically a sensor shield. Here you've got a 3-axis accelerometer, XYZ, and you've got a temperature humidity sensor here as well. To make both of these work with the Arduino Uno, we also need a logic level shifter. So we stack that here, and now if we take our interface shield and we simply stack it on top like that, and now let's turn on power to it. Now here we go, we see the temperature output and the XYZ coordinates updated approximately half a second. And you can see that there are many examples possible with the interface shield simply by stacking different shields in between, and then you can display them. Of course, in this example, we're not even using the buttons and the LEDs or the interrupt. So this is a very basic example. There's many others that we can do.